Hello everyone, this is FishGuy Rodney with Exotic Fish in Tanks. What we have here is an 8.5-inch Blueface angel. This guy comes from the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean versions are gorgeous. He's 8 to 8.5. The Indian Ocean version is gorgeous. They have more of an orange, as you can see. Orange mask, and look at that face. Gorgeous. 8.5 inches, 8 to 8.5 inches. Blueface angel. This guy, along with the others, was given a bath for 4 to 5 hours, being that it was on a long flight, and methylene blue and nitrofurazone. I've had them for a few days, just getting to be able to do the videos. I will post pics as well. This guy is picture perfect. Blueface angel was given a freshwater dip for 5 minutes. After the freshwater dip, put into a quarantine system where he was in hyposalinity, copper, and Prozipro. Guarantee all fish are eating, and I hold on to all fish for at least a week before sending out. But I've had them for a few days at this stage and point. Any questions? FishGuy Rodney, 469-682-8841. Blueface angel. These have also become increasingly difficult to get. I can tell you, even from divers, you can see it's picture perfect. The blue scales on the body. Look at that face. Any questions? 469-682-8841. FishGuy Rodney, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already. Join my Facebook group. That's where I will post these first. Any questions? 469-682-8841. Arrive alive guarantee. I quarantine for a week. And I also include a packet of Safety Stop, which is an instant quarantine for absolutely free. Any questions, feel free, give me a call or ping me, 469-682-8841. Again, this is the Indian Ocean version. Most customers base it always on price. Not all fish are created equal. The Indian Ocean version has orange, not yellowish. You can see the orange mask and the orange coloration, not the brighter yellow. Indian Ocean version. So there is a difference. Any questions, feel free, give me a call or yell or ping. 469-682-8841. Thanks everyone.